Welcome to Hobaan Books, where imaginations are fostered. The book we're reading today is about a young child looking for a bed. When Martha decided she must have a bed, she marveled mulled over what she would get. But much of the choices made Martha quite glum. Instead of magnificent, most were humdrum. And just as it seemed like it might be no use, she made up her mind that she must have one and delivered her news midday. She signed it with an M, and they both marched away. They shared an umbrella. They sipped maple tea. They carved hearts M on mulberry tree. They went to the movies together. They shopped at the mall. They both got manicure, polish and all. My mousse is so marvelous, Martha declared. Not much could match up when her mousse was compared. So Martha quite merrily ordered one more, and one more, and one more, until she had 4. The mailman delivered her new mousse midday, and she signed it with an M, and they marched away. This marvelous book is called Too Many Moose, and it's written by Lisa M. Bacos and pictures by Mark Chambers. What a wonderful book. Enjoy and pay attention to the letter M. If you enjoyed this book, check out A6 ABCs at our Amazon storefront.